Hello, my loves. Just want to go over the products that I used for my first impressions, the look, the other day. Alright. Always realize that I forget things and have to do them later, so here I am doing them later. Alright. For concealer, I use the Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer by Unique. I believe it's in the shade Scarlet. Alright. The Face Primer Base. Alright. Photo Focus from Wet n Wild. The Wet n Wild Setting Spray, Photo Focus Setting Spray. The Unique BB Flawless Complexion Enhancer. It is a multitasking, hydrating, tinted BB cream. I like this. This was great. What else? First impressions. The Moodstruck Minerals Concealer Corrector. I guess that's how you say it. It is also another Unique product. It is just a powder. This one's actually a little dark for me, so I grabbed my City Color Cosmetics in light loose powder and mixed in with this one for my overall powder over top of the BB Flawless Cream, and it was perfect all day long. This is L'Oreal, the new hip powder liner. It's an eyeliner. I used that with my lashes. As you can see, I cut one in half and just put them on the very ends of my lashes. Use that as the little, I don't know what the daggone word is, but basically I made it to where it blended in nicely and you couldn't tell that I had fake lashes on. I also used this taupe brown Broadway Beauty eyebrow pencil. I enjoyed this as well. All of these products, all of these first impressions products from this look, I actually really enjoyed. And then the LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. Again, not mad at this product either. Lash glue for the first time, the Broadway Eyes Strong Super Hold. I went ahead and got it in black. I like the applicator for this as well. It's the little pin flick thing. And for the look, I also use the Physicians Formula Nude palette. Goodness gracious, work for me. But yeah, I really liked it. And then I also am loving the Physicians Formula mascara. It comes with the black and the brown, and this in the nude. I got it at Target. $15.95, I believe I got it at Target for, honestly. And it also comes with a brown and a black as well. Loving it. Loving it, loving it. So that's the stuff that I did use. I'm not sure why this is in there. I didn't use it. It's older. But I do love the pigmentation in these. But that's kind of irrelevant to what's going on right now. Alright. Well, that's that.